If you're a property manager searching for the right software solution, you know how overwhelming it can be to navigate the many options available on the market. RentRedi is one such option that promises to simplify the property management process and make your life much easier. But before you make a decision, it's important to ask yourself some key questions about the software. What features does it offer? How much does it cost? Is it easy to learn and use? And perhaps most importantly, how does it stack up against its competitors? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into RentRedi to help you answer those questions and determine if it's the right property management software for your business. We'll explore its key features, pricing plans, and ease of use. Plus, we'll compare it to other top property management software options on the market so you can make an informed decision. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of RentRedi and property management software together. So what is RentRedi property management software? RentRedi is a complete professional management service that can provide robust features to any rental property business, whether it be residential or commercial properties. One of the key aspects to this software is that it enables landlords to efficiently communicate with current and prospective tenants about their rent. With this service, you can seamlessly communicate with your tenants about anything, like if they need to pay rent or get maintenance done. They can also do a whole lot of other things within the software, all of which will be covered in this video. Apart from those services for the tenant, RentRedi also has many other features that can help property managers keep track of all aspects of their properties. These kinds of features like rent collection and great customer support are just some of the things that can completely change the way that your business operates. In this video, we're going to outline how some of RentRedi's most notable features function and how they can benefit you. RentRedi Features. The first thing that someone asks themselves when looking for a rental property management software is, what features am I investing in? Since the right combination of features can completely change a business, it is only natural that this would be an important inquiry. For this reason, it is essential to look into the features that any software provides. In the case of RentRedi, there are tons of features that will be part of the software that will definitely interest you. Many of the features also benefit the tenant, fostering a healthy relationship between the renter and the owner. Some of RentRedi's most notable property management tools include a complete tenant portal, managing maintenance requests, marketing tools, and a dedicated customer support team. So if you want to learn more about these features and how they can help you and your business succeed, you're in the right place. Complete Tenant Portal. One of the most notable features that come with a RentRedi subscription is a complete tenant portal. With this portal, the landlord and the tenant can do a plethora of different things. Some of the most important things that can be done using RentRedi's tenant portal include mobile rent payments, various tenant payment options, and the functionality that the tenant needs to manage their payments. The tenant can even set up automatic payments to make sure their rent is never overdue. The best part is that all of this can be done from RentRedi's mobile app that is user-friendly and easily accessible. Apart from that, this portal is split into a tenant app and a landlord app. The tenant app contains the features that we just discussed, but the landlord app has many different ones. Some of the features included in the landlord side of the app include a user-friendly application process, the ability to screen tenants, and a notification template that alerts renters when their rent is due. From this app, you can also track all the payments that have been done or any payments expected for the property. This feature provides trust and reliability owners require from property management software while getting rid of the human integration aspect. Managing maintenance request. Another very useful aspect of the RentRedi property software is the Maintenance Request Manager. This simple landlord tool allows users to manage maintenance requests that have been submitted by the property owners or tenants. The way that this works is that the tenants submit maintenance requests to the RentRedi platform where they are delivered to the property manager. From there, the entire maintenance process is tracked and updated from within the software, making it easier for you to provide property management services. Throughout the process of maintenance, the tenant receives status updates so that the property manager ensures quick and accurate service. Even better, you can do maintenance on a few rentals at a time. Marketing tools. The next feature that is offered by RentRedi will surely boost the tenancy rate of your business is marketing tools. What these marketing tools do is quickly list your properties to multiple advertising outlets, generating more traffic to properties. This rental syndication occurs automatically for sites like Realtor.com and Doorsteps.com. You can also share links to listing listing sites like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and a few more outlets where prospective tenants can see it. Apart from listing your rentals to other sites, RentRedi also gives the user ability to create their own incredibly responsive marketing webpage. On this webpage, the user can list their vacant properties with the information that they want. The best part is that this marketing page works for unlimited properties, so you can list as many properties as you want. Dedicated customer support team. One of the most difficult parts of property management software is that users can have trouble figuring it out at times. This is why RentRedi tries to have the best customer service team on standby at all times to make sure that the user is having the best experience possible. This customer service team helps with every aspect of the software, from tenants downloading the app, to learning how to generate reports, to learning how to list properties. One of the ways that it achieves this is by providing online chat support to its users. Now that we know all about RentRedi's most useful features, it's time to dive into the important part, which is the pricing. RentRedi Pricing. For most property management software, the pricing is very confusing and can confuse potential buyers. Luckily for you, RentRedi has a very straightforward pricing model. To begin, they only offer one plan that comes with all of the features we've previously mentioned. This is uncommon as many software companies choose to exclude some features from cheaper plans. The price of the plan is based on whether you want to pay monthly, annually, or every 6 months. If you want to pay monthly, the price is $19.95 per month. For an annual subscription, the price is only $9 per month. And finally, if you want to pay every 6 months, the price is $15 per month. Keep in mind, those prices do not include accounting. That comes as an add-on starting at $15 a month for up to 3 units. There is also no automated QuickBooks Online sync, but they do have an option to export your tenant's payment and import them manually into QuickBooks. If RentRedi's features or pricing doesn't seem to check all the boxes for the best property management software, let's look at the software that may just do that. RentRedi Alternative. If you have decided to continue your search for property management software, then look no further. DoorLoop is an all-in-one property management solution that provides all the features necessary to make any rental business succeed. DoorLoop offers all the tools that rental property owners and managers need to run every aspect of their property management company. Some of those features include a complete accounting suite. Manage all of your rental property financials and accounting needs from one convenient platform and integrate dozens of other software as well, including QuickBooks Online. Leasing and marketing tools. List all of your properties on various listing websites to quickly fill in any available units and ease the tenant screening process. Tenant portal. Communicate seamlessly with your tenants using DoorLoop's full tenant portal, also equipped with automatic payments and rent reminders. Maintenance management. Manage all maintenance requests from your properties straight from the platform. Even track and update the process on services being done. Stellar customer support. Have dedicated customer support on standby to assist with any issues you may have at any time. If that sounds appealing to you, you can get started today for only $49 a month. This means that you will be getting access to all of these amazing features at an amazing price. Get started today with a free demo and discover what DoorLoop has to offer. So that's a wrap on our RentRedi review. We hope that this video has helped you make a more informed decision about whether RentRedi is the right property management software for your needs. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and insights on real estate and property management. We'll see you in the next one.